Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Lexus LX stands as a powerful, luxurious flagship SUV. As the camera moves around the rear, the wide taillight bar and strong bumper design show its commanding presence. The sculpted tailgate and clean chrome accents add a refined finish without overdoing it, shifting to the front. The massive spindle grille makes an immediate statement. The 3D pattern, sharp LED headlights, and signature checkmark daytime lights give the LX a bold face. The front bumper is thicker and shaped for better airflow, while the hood's muscular lines hint at the strength underneath. Along the right side, LX shows its tall and athletic proportions. The clean shoulder lines, large windows, and tight door panel gaps highlight Lexus' precise craftsmanship. The flared fenders and large alloy wheels with all-terrain tires give it a confident, ready-for-anything stance. From the right-angle view, the chrome window trim, side mirrors, and roof rails stand out with a clean, premium look. On the left side, the theme continues. Flush door handles, tucked-in side steps, and smooth bodywork that reflects light perfectly. From the left-angle view, the LX looks like a solid, modern luxury SUV with a rugged foundation. Opening the door reveals a refined interior. Soft leather, real wood trim, and detailed stitching create a calm, premium atmosphere. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels substantial, and the digital instrument cluster shows crisp. Customizable graphics. The center console houses Lexus dual-screen setup. The main touchscreen handles navigation, audio, and controls, while the smaller screen manages climate settings. The drive selector sits cleanly in the middle, surrounded by practical buttons for off-road functions. The seats are wide, supportive, and offer heating, ventilation, and massage. Subtle ambient lighting adds a relaxed mood at night under the hood. The 2026 LX keeps its twin-turbo 3.5 LV6, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Power delivery is smooth and strong, making highway merging, towing, and hill climbing effortless. The adaptive suspension absorbs bumps quietly and maintains stability on any road. Off-road. The LX remains highly capable with full-time four-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking diffs, and height-adjustable suspension. Whether on sand, mud, snow, or rocks, the LX moves with confidence and control. For safety and tech, Lexus includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and an updated driver attention system. The high-resolution 360-degree camera helps with tight parking and narrow off-road paths as the camera pulls back. The 2026 Lexus LX stands tall and confident. It delivers luxury, durability, advanced tech, and serious capability in one complete package. For drivers wanting comfort on the road and strength off it, the LX remains one of the most dependable and premium options available.